Not even a 5-minute walk from our van, and one beach, the other beach, our van, and there's the way up.
Longest footbridge in the southern hemisphere.
Look what they got here. Look at this spot. Little kayak tour.
And these trampoline are so nice. I never saw this kind of trampoline without the springs, but it's so nice. Trampoline Eddie. I'm on coca patron, coca patron, coca patron, coca patron, coca patron, coca patron. I've been drinking, I'm driving while texting and speeding. I swear that I ain't going home. If you're home on my phone, it won't leave me alone. I'm like Steve, I'm like coca patron. I'm on that coca patron, coca patron.
Training for the winter done. And here we are again, back in Auckland. My flight to Germany leaves tomorrow. Thank you for watching my vlogs and peace. Nah, just kidding. We're staying here for one night and heading south tomorrow, so definitely stay tuned for more. And thank you for watching again. See you in the next vlog. Peace. Verdammt, wir müssen unser Auto noch benennen. Danke für eure Vorschläge. Waren gute dabei, aber wir können uns noch nicht entscheiden zwischen Bruce und Barbossa. Das heißt, ich mache auf Instagram eine Abstimmung zwischen Bruce und Barbossa. Also falls ihr mitbestimmen wollt, schaut auf Instagram vorbei und bis zum nächsten Mal. Peace.
I'm out of control, ain't about all these loans. Time to get back on the road. CDs and stats getting sold. I'm scratching them off, just like the jackpot I'm on. Y'all touch on back on the wall. Reminiscing, playing basketball at the course with the gas. Now we draft for a sport. They get your bows in the jersey with forces of Jordans.